The topic is assignment task. So this is assignment task. How it works in the Informatica we see now. Go to workflow. So here we are having only one single session in this workflow. If we executed this one, it succeeded. So now I want to execute one more session here. I take a CD type. This no. So I take this one. So I'm executing this one. So it executed successfully. Now I want to take another session now. So I am taking here SCD type with the version. Okay. So in the meanwhile, I have to take an assignment task here. So this assignment task we have uh, this will execute whenever we start the workflow. So this session want to execute after the execution of twice. I want to execute this session. So means here I give the condition that if that execute twice and that then it becomes we give the condition with the two count is two, then the count is succeeded, then we go for the this session execution. Okay, here we see here, go to the workflow, edit, and in the variables we create a count here. So I will see from the starting onwards, create a variable, and here you take cnt count, which is a variable. Persistent means if the count value initial value is 0, so if we increment it to 1 it becomes 1 and then it becomes to 2. So the initial value of count is here I am taking as integer means it takes from 1. Okay, I am giving persistent for that reason. Okay, here click here apply and okay. So now we connect this with the link task and we go for this assignment, and here we create a user defined count and we give the expression, which is that count equal to count plus 1. We have to increment 1 with one number, means every execution it takes. If suppose it is having the count initials is 1, so the execution after execution of 1 it becomes 2, like that it will go. Okay, validate, it's validate successfully. Okay, and apply. Okay, then we go here another link task, and this link task we have to give an expression is count when will it will go to execute, so it will go and execute, it becomes 2. Okay, validate. Okay, so this is the run for our execution. Now it becomes 2, it executed. So after that what happened, it becomes 3, means it will not satisfy. For that we have to reset this count to 0 with this assignment operator. For that we have to give one more assignment operator here, and we have to link this with the link task to here, and double click on that and go to the expression. Now we have to give a count with the expression here. So now count again I am reinitialized to 0. Okay, now validate this one. Okay, apply. Okay, control S. So now see here, go to the start workflow, what will happen. So here it will executed only this one s underscore m underscore test session and this assignment. So our condition is not satisfied here. That's why this is not executed. So again I am going to execute this one. What will happen? Let's see. So now count becomes earlier 1, it becomes 2. It satisfied our condition. So here if it is failed also it executed na. So it becomes it going to assignment operator, and it is become 0. Now again we see what will happen? Let's see. Start workflow. Only these two executed. Look at here. Now count becomes 1. So 1 equal to 2 is not satisfied. That's why it is not coming to here. So this is regarding about the assignment task in the session level properties. Please subscribe and share and like. Thank you.